Will there be enough room? This week at Yang Fan, we dove into the rhythmic world of Chicka Chicka Boom Boom.
What sheep is this?
We didn't just read the story. We became real scientists. We explored real coconuts, touching, smelling, and even tasting them. The fun continued with hands-on math, counting with tongs. During small groups, our kiddos took letters off the coconut tree and matched them to our big poster of letters. We even took on a STEAM challenge, building our own coconut trees to see how many letters they could hold before tumbling down. From A to Z, it was a week packed with rhythm, discovery, and fun. At Yang Fan Preschool, we bring stories to life through hands-on discovery.